Since time immemorial, communication has been a part of human life, and the transmission of information has been of the utmost importance. In ancient times, beacon fires were used to transmit signals during times of war. This is an example of information transmission that requires the highest reliability. Today, railway dispatching systems control the orderly operations of our trains. Such information transmissions require the highest quality and the highest level of security. A 1 millisecond advantage in trading applications can be worth $1 million to a major brokerage firm. Such information transmissions require the lowest possible latency. Video call, online HD video, video conference. There are also times when high bandwidth and low cost are all that is required. In the world of enterprise communication, there has always been a divide between dedicated and common use networks. With the Huawei Universal Transport Solution, these different services are integrated and transmitted on a single network. Dedicated information flows have exclusive bandwidth and are transmitted on physical hard pipes. Common information flows share bandwidth, and services are transmitted on packet soft pipes. Service integration is fully able to guarantee differentiated demands for different services. Dedicated information flows and common information services are integrated and pass through air, metro networks, backbone networks, and submarine communications cables. Hardware integration allows different services to use the same platform, and all those devices can be managed end-to-end.
To meet the requirements of enterprise transport network, Huawei proposed universal transport solution based on the rich experience in optical and microwave area. The solution provides guaranteed security and reliability with physical hard pipe for core services, all kinds of service access capability, all scenarios transport, huge bandwidth, universal management and control platform to lower the end-to-end cost.
Whether you require highly secure and reliable zero-latency dedicated services or high bandwidth, low-cost common services, we are able to meet your needs. This is the Huawei Universal Transport Solution.